Use a sum or difference identity to write the expression as a trigonometric function of one angle, then find the exact value. We have cosine of 5 pi divided by 6 times cosine of 2 pi divided by 3 plus sine of 5 pi divided by 6 times sine of 2 pi divided by 3. Looking at the sum and difference identities below, because we have cosine times cosine plus sine times sine, we'll be using the sum and difference identity for cosine, where notice alpha is equal to 5 pi divided by 6 and beta equals 2 pi divided by 3. And because we have a sum here on the right, we're using the lower operation, which means on the left we'll have alpha minus beta. This indicates the given expression is equal to cosine of 5 pi divided by 6 minus 2 pi divided by 3. Let's go ahead and find the difference. The least common denominator is 6. We multiply 2 pi divided by 3 by 2 divided by 2, which gives us 5 pi divided by 6 minus 4 pi divided by 6, which equals 1 pi divided by 6, or simply pi divided by 6. We now know the cosine of the difference of 5 pi divided by 6 and 2 pi divided by 3 equals the cosine of pi divided by 6. Now looking at the reference triangles below, the cosine of pi divided by 6 equals the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse, which is square root 3 divided by 2. I hope you found this helpful.